Okay, so welcome to this class. My name is Godwin Odenema, and on this video, I'll be teaching you how to host your website and also how to buy a domain. So first things first, what is a domain? What is a website? What is a hosting site? So a domain is actually the name of a website, just like saying someone's name or someone's home address. So for example, if you are staying at number 5 Ife Street. So Ife Street, number 5 Ife Street is the name of your home, right? And when you go to number 5 Ife Street, you should see a building where you live, right? So the name of that your street is called the domain. Then where you stay, the house, is the hosting or is the hosting site. So what it means is that when people come to look for you, they will they will use the domain, which is your number 5 Ife Street. And when they get to that place, they will see a building where you are. So in terms of web design, domain is the web address www.godwin.com or .com.ng. So that's the domain. So it's possible for you to have a domain and not have a hosting. So it's just like saying that you have home address, but your home is not there. So it can happen. Do you understand? It's possible that the developers are trying to develop a place and everybody's securing maybe land, just like saying you have a land but you don't have a building, something like, let's just put it that way. So, and if you have a domain and you don't have a hosting, there's no way they can find your house, there's no way they can find your website. So imagine you having www.godwin.com, but when they search for it, they cannot find anything. It is because you have not hosted that website. So hosting is just like the house where files your website files are stored. So um it is through some hosting sites that can help you to store your website. So imagine you have bought domain www.godwin.com. You have to store your website in a particular place. And what allows you to store your website in a particular place is the hosting platforms like QServers, Hostinja, TrueHost, and others, and Bluehost and the rest. So I'm trying to explain very well. To host is to keep your website in a particular house so that when they go to your web address www.godwin.com, they can find your website. So without hosting it, they will not find your website, even if you have a domain. Domain is just like a name. Hosting is just like your house you are staying. Imagine someone wants to come and find you at home. You told them that you are staying at number 5 Ife Street. When they came, they did not even see any house. They did not see anything. So they cannot find you. But if you have a house and you tell them that you are staying at number 5 Ife Street, when they come there, they will see you and they will see everything that is inside your house. Just like website, when they type www.godwin.com, they will see my website and all the files I have there. So just like this one now, when they go to my website, they will see that I'm selling data. They will see everything I'm doing. So enough of the explanation. I'll be giving you examples of some hosting sites. So the first one is TrueHost. Just okay, there will be a document. It's among the videos where you see hosting links and affiliations. So you just click on any of the links you want, and when you click on it, it will take you to the hosting site directly. Now it's an affiliate link because when you use the link, I get a little commission, and you also have a commission too. Do you understand? You get cheaper to host your website. So click on those links and it will take you directly to the website. So the first one is Truehost. So look at now, this is Truehost. Type truehost.com. You get this. So Truehost. So let's see. Click on Get Started. Alright, so get started. The first thing for you to do is to register a new domain. That's the name of your website. So let's say, let me just give it a name. Now, there's something I would like to tell you. You have extension at this right corner here. You have extension. So we have .com, we have .com.ng and the rest. So the cheaper one is .com.ng. Please go for .com.ng. It is cheaper. So let's check. Click on check. Alright, so scroll down. You'll see that it is available. So this is my domain. It is available. 2-1. If you use .com, it will show you like 12,000. Use .com.ng. Okay. Alright, so after that, click on continue. Okay. So they're asking you that what's the duration for your hosting? Is it 1 month? Is it 3 months? Is it 6 months and the rest? So I will show you, I will advise you to go for 1 year, which is 12 months. So click on this. So you are paying 1,166 naira per month. Look at this one now. Look at for monthly. If you are paying for only 1 month, you are paying 1,400. Are you seeing? Alright, so I clicked on for 12 months, right? Click on for 12 months. So just click on continue. So you see I'm paying 14,000. So click on continue. Alright, so click on DNS management, ID protection, and email forwarding. So click on continue. So this is for 1 year. The reason why I recommend you to go for 1 year is because it will save you the stress of going to host your website again after 1 month. So you can see the total amount you are paying, 15,500. So when you go check out, you can continue payment. Then another one I will show you is Hostinger. So let me show you if you want to use 1 month. So go back. So go back. Okay. Now, if you want to go for a month, because not everybody might be able to afford the 12 months at a time. So you click on this first one, 1 month. So 1 for it means that you are paying 1 for the hosting. Then you pay 2-1 for the domain. But if you are going for a year, you will get the domain and the hosting together at that price. But if you are going for a month, you are paying 1-4 for domain and you are paying 2-1 for the you are paying 2-1 for the domain, you are paying 1-4 for the hosting. Click on continue. So like now I clicked on this DNS management, ID protection, email forwarding, so they can be able to forward emails, right? So the money they will charge you a little amount for this since you click actually. So just click on continue. So you see the amount of money you will pay. So you can see you are paying 5,000 naira. since you are going for a month, right? Are you saying that it's more expensive? But then if it's what you have, then do it. So you are paying 2,1 for your domain, and you are paying 1,4 for your hosting for a month. Make sure you go for the true silver package. Make sure you go for silver package. Don't go for bronze, please. Because when you go for bronze, there are limited settings to that. There are limited things you can do on that. So I recommend you, if you're using TrueHost, go for the silver package. Silver package. Don't go for the bronze. Okay. So and I recommend you go for a year, or if you want to go for a month, no problem. But go for the silver package. Alright, so the next one I will be showing you is QServe. Okay, let me show you Hostinger. Alright, so when you go to Hostinger, if you can follow the link in the affiliation links document, so you see a file that is saved as affiliate links, hosting and affiliate links. You see it. So this for Hostinger. To just search for 12 months. If you want 1 month, anyone, just click on 12 months. Okay. After that, so just fill out the form. Okay, put your email, password, or log in with your Google. You understand? So the first one is to select the package you want. Step 2, create your account. Select payments and the rest. So that one is not hard. So if you want 1 month, you click on 1 month here. Okay, just continue. Then I'll show you Q server. So these Q servers. Alright, so the first thing is to search for your domain. Search for your domain here. So let us say Godwin. So the name, just search for it. So you can see domain for 2,1 for a year. So what extension do you want? .com. .com is always expensive. So .com.ng is cheaper. It's the cheapest you can get. Alright, so click on search. Now after, okay, this is already taken already. So let me change something like this. So just make sure it is not taken, then search. Now after, you must have paid for your hosting and domain. Now if you are paying for a year with TrueHost or with any thing, it comes with a free domain. But if you are paying monthly, if you are going for a monthly package, you will pay for the domain, pay for hosting. But if you are going for a year package, it comes with the domain. Alright, so as you can see, continue. So select this for a year, 2,1 for a year. So click on continue. Just continue and you should be able to pay for it. So click on this DNS management, it's free, and the rest, just click on continue. So when you click on continue, you see the amount of money you want to pay. So this for, you are paying 2,472 annually. Okay, you can remove the DNS. If you remove the DNS, it will be 2,1, but then just leave it like that. So you fill out your details and you continue. Just follow the process and you'll be able to pay. Alright, so that's enough for the hosting and domain. So after you must have paid for your hosting and domain, they will send you 3 emails to your email. They'll send you 3 email messages to your email confirming your payment. So any of the hosting packages you can use. So Truehost is a Nigerian platform. You can use it to host your website. The include servers and hosting jar. They are foreign. So if you want, you can use Truehost. All right, anyone you want to use, but make sure you follow the process. All right. So after paying, they'll send you three email messages confirming your payment. In one of those messages, they'll send you your login credentials to your website, to your cPanel. You see cPanel login. You see your domain there. You also see your admin dashboard. Now, the admin dashboard is where you can log into. That's your cPanel, where you can log into to edit your website, to upload your website and everything. So the login details is talking about your hosting login. So since you have paid for hosting, you can log in, then upload your website and edit and whatever you want to do. So they'll send you message. You'll see it. It may take some time for you to for your domain to be active, but just take it may take you time. It may not take time. So just follow the process. After paying for the domain, it will take you some time for it to go live. The domain. So after you can log in, you will log in, then the next process. So you go to your email after you must have paid. Go to your email, you see message. So make sure when you are filling your form, you put a right email, please. When you are trying to pay for your domain and hosting, put a right email because they will send you messages. So once they send you messages, you will log in. You see cPanel login. So you log in. So the next place you will see now is I've logged in to my hosting website.